Hello everyone. So we pretty much finished all the tutorial, but somehow you can see here, once you import and add to Metahuman from Mixamo, maybe there are some issue the proportion. So you can see here, this is it's actually the base, the Metahuman. And then once applied the mixable animation, it's going to be stretched like this, right? So I think we need to fix before making the pose sequence for A pose or T pose for the animation baking. Before baking, you needed to fix this issue. So let me show you how to fix this issue. So maybe you can fix this issue. As I mentioned, the people export all the pose and baking animation to Blender. Okay, so now you can go to image folder, then you can click the working folder is from Mixamo. Okay, so you can see it's a stretch, so it already stretched the proportion, so you need to fix this issue. So you can go to skeleton tree, and then you can click the option here, and then you can show the retargeting option. Then you can select from spline, and hold the shift and select all, and then you can right click. You can select recurrently set the translation retargeting skeleton. Okay, and then you can save. Okay, see here, now it's a correct proportion. Okay, then close. Then you can select this avatar. Then you can see it's fixed already. The problem is it's plotting. And then you can go to double click. You can go to asset detail. Then you can change the here. Set to the human body. Okay, this one, tall in the body, and close. Still floating. Okay. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, so now it's perfect proportion. Okay, so I think you can fix the proportion if your avatar is very strange. The proportion when you import the avatar from the Mixamo animation convert. Okay, so after fix the proportion, then you can create different pose that I explained to the previous tutorial. Then you can export to the Blender. Then you can follow my Blender the process, so you can just remove all the unnecessary part, like the mouse, inner mouse and T, and then eyeball. So then you can export to the LMB file to CLO3D and make a pose and avatar. Okay, so that is all the process.